Rosealee, get active. Get active. Get active. Triple Blinga Rosealee, come. Get active. We don't live nowhere, you know. We don't live nowhere. Get active. Put things in the house. Boy, you don't shop and sheen, you shop fashion over. I want the triple come off of the net. Come off of the net. Your things them fake. Nothing real in your house. Come, get active, get active. Me a teaching for grow kids. It's a disgrace. You know what is so funny? You know what is so funny? The fact that you say, me always a tear down women, me always a tear down picnic, and me sit down on the internet and I tell on the overgrown a picnic. It's a disgrace before God and all mankind. Plunger, the new co-host. Yeah, it's true. Look here, Triple and Blinga, I need this. I mean, I tell on the phone a toilet, me I tell on the phone a hole. Phone a hole. Triple all want this. Where the father there? Why never did the picture them graduation? Plunge him out of your crutches, man. Plunge him out. Plunge out the boy. Yeah, I'm telling you something. Today is Gangster Granny's birthday. Let me tell you something. Gangster Granny is my grandmother. And today is our birthday. I mean, I want none of you to sit down on your so and I wish Gangster Granny birthday. Happy birthday. Your ears, look, I'm a stripper talking. You see how in a stripper look? Dark. Dark. Wanna try wish Gangster Granny happy birthday. Come and lock off this right away. But once the happy birthday, they might go up. If you can't spell the apple, put H. HBD. HBD. Me eat them people. HBD. Jesus. The reason why Triple and Blinga, if you don't hear what Blinga said, no man have an address. What Shebada said, because when him talk, him got in depth so people believe him. It's true. Me not talk over the people them head. I don't speak over the people them head. Miss Triple, you say, you know what I say is a little dirty, liar, nasty, so cocky girl. You say, you never buy your cheese argument. Miss Triple, you come back in the same breath and say, me not have nothing bad to say about you. You know by your cheese argument. You understood everything when me did across cheese. Me say, Miss Triple, Miss Triple she. For sit down with cheese, and she not have nothing for doing her. Look who she sit down with, cheese. Cheesy blase. Before she run her and say, move from here, from all them kills to her. That's what I said. I wasn't cursing you. I was just highlighting the company that you keep. Now you took to the net and said, Shebada, I know you're here. That is why you call man batty, man. You can't believe say you have a hole and cocky around down batty. All when you open your foot, them spitting at your hole and them not near it. So what you really are going to say? Miss Triple, if you pity them take anything off of your dog, name them supper, them are going to be whore. Any how you pity them take nothing off of your Triple, them are going to be whore. Because one thing I know about life, you're a lazy girl. You are a lazy, non-progressive, non-ambitious individual, Triple. You may attack. Me not see no way in history I can have a business and spend my time on the internet and I'm not promoting my business. Good God Almighty. No. Soft girl is true. Gangsta girl.